The era of the slow, uninspired, and technologically stagnant compact hatchback is officially over. For decades, legacy automakers, particularly the Japanese and Europeans, have drip-fed the market with minimal innovations, expecting consumers to blindly accept compromised efficiency and sluggish performance. If you wanted a reliable compact hybrid, you were forced into a Toyota Yaris. But the rules of global automotive dominance have just been violently rewritten. BYD has taken their most successful electric hatchback, the Dolphin, and weaponized it with their most advanced DMI plug-in hybrid architecture. This is not a subtle update. It is an extinction-level event for the traditional compact car. We are looking at a hatchback that delivers over 1,000 kilometers of combined range, wielding the brand-new Blade Battery 2.0, and a thermal efficiency that makes traditional engines look archaic. Today, we tear apart the engineering that is causing absolute panic in the boardrooms of Toyota and Volkswagen. Let's tear it apart. We must first dissect the violent disruption occurring under the bonnet of the Dolphin DMI. Traditionally, engineering a plug-in hybrid system into a B-segment compact chassis results in catastrophic compromises. You either sacrifice cabin space, ruin the weight distribution, or settle for an underpowered internal combustion engine. BYD's engineers rejected all three compromises. They executed a masterclass in extreme thermal and spatial packaging. They integrated a heavily optimized, naturally aspirated 1.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine directly alongside a high-performance electric traction motor. But here is the forensic brilliance. This internal combustion engine is not designed to drive the wheels in the conventional, inefficient manner. For the vast majority of its operational life, it acts strictly as an onboard, hyper-efficient kinetic power station. It operates within a mathematically perfect thermal window, achieving a staggering thermal efficiency rating that exceeds 43%, while a Toyota Yaris hybrid relies on a complex, friction-heavy planetary gear set that constantly blends power and limits torque. The BYD system relies heavily on the electric motor for direct propulsion. The combustion engine simply feeds electrical current into the battery pack, or directly to the stator when the state of charge demands it. When you press the accelerator, you are not waiting for a gearbox to kick down, and you are not waiting for engine revolutions to build. You are met with an immediate, violent surge of instantaneous electrical torque that completely masks the presence of the combustion engine. It is a seamless, frictionless delivery of kinetic energy that makes every European and Japanese competitor feel like they are stuck in the previous century. The packaging required to fit the inverter, the power control unit, and the dual motor layout into this compact footprint without intruding on the passenger cell is nothing short of miraculous. It is an unapologetic display of mechanical and electromagnetic superiority. The absolute core of this vehicle's terrifying capability, the beating heart that makes a 1,000-kilometer range mathematically possible in a compact hatchback, is the integration of BYD's next-generation energy storage, the highly anticipated Blade Battery 2.0. We are no longer talking about standard lithium-ion packs that suffer from thermal instability and rapid degradation. Has pushed the boundaries of lithium iron phosphate chemistry to a level that the rest of the industry simply cannot replicate. By refining the internal chemical matrix, they have exponentially increased the volumetric energy density. But the chemistry is only half of the forensic equation. The true genius lies in the cell-to-pack structural architecture. In traditional electric and hybrid vehicles, battery cells are grouped into modules, which are then placed into a heavy, space-consuming pack. BYD eliminated the modules entirely. The elongated, blade-like cells are inserted directly into the pack, acting as structural beams that dramatically increase the torsional rigidity of the entire vehicle chassis. This extreme density allows BYD to pack a massive amount of kilowatt-hours into a dangerously thin profile beneath the floor pan, preserving crucial cabin space. Furthermore, the thermodynamic stability of the blade architecture renders thermal runaway virtually impossible. You can pierce these cells with a steel nail, crush them, or overcharge them. and the surface temperature will barely rise above 60 degrees Celsius. This battery does not just store energy, it manages it with a predatory efficiency. The regenerative braking system captures kinetic friction that would normally be lost as heat, feeding it instantly back into the high-voltage architecture. This is how the Dolphin DM-i achieves its ridiculous electric-only range, allowing owners to complete their daily commutes without burning a single drop of petrol, while keeping the 1.5-liter generator in reserve for transcontinental, range anxiety-free journeys. Stepping inside the BYD Dolphin DM-i is where the psychological warfare against legacy brands truly begins. For decades, buying a compact hatchback meant accepting a fundamentally cheap, noisy, and compromised human experience. You expected hard plastics, intrusive road noise, and the constant, vibrating drone of a struggling 3-cylinder engine penetrating the firewall. BYD has completely shattered this paradigm, elevating the cabin into a serene, technologically immersive sanctuary that punches violently above its weight class. When you close the door, you are instantly isolated from the chaos of the outside world. The engineering team invested heavily in noise, vibration, and harshness suppression, utilizing advanced acoustic dampening materials throughout the bulkhead, floor pan, and wheel arches. Because the internal combustion engine functions primarily as a generator, its acoustic signature is heavily muted and entirely decoupled from the throttle pedal. You can be cruising at highway speeds, and the transition between pure electric drive and generator-assisted propulsion is completely imperceptible to the human senses. You are surrounded by ergonomically sculpted seating and a massive, rotating high-definition central interface that acts as the digital brain of the vehicle. The human element here is not an afterthought. It is the absolute priority. The climate control system uses advanced heat pump technology, scavenging ambient thermal energy to heat or cool the cabin without violently draining the high-voltage battery. You are commanding this machine from a position of absolute comfort and isolation, shielded from the sensory overload of the road. It does not feel like a budget commuter car. It feels like a premium, scaled-down executive vault. BYD understands that true dominance in the global market is not just about raw specification sheets. It is about making the driver feel untouchable, relaxed, and deeply connected to a machine that is relentlessly taking care of the physics behind the scenes. To understand the sheer gravity of this vehicle's existence, we must place it directly in the crosshairs of its primary victim, the Toyota Yaris hybrid. For years, Toyota has held an iron grip on the global hybrid market, dictating the terms of efficiency and reliability. But their dominance has bred absolute complacency. The Yaris hybrid operates on an aging, mechanically complex philosophy that forces the driver to endure the notorious rubber band effect of an electronic, continuously variable transmission. When you demand power from a Yaris, the engine screams to a high RPM, the transmission slips, and the acceleration eventually, lethargically follows. The BYD Dolphin DM-i executes a complete and total slaughter of this philosophy. Because the Dolphin relies on direct electric drive for propulsion, there is zero hesitation. 100% of the electric motor's torque is available from absolute 0 RPM. If you are navigating a busy intersection or executing a high-speed overtake on the motorway, the Dolphin surges forward with the silent, immediate violence of a pure electric vehicle, while the Toyota is still trying to figure out its gear ratios. Furthermore, the BYD ecosystem operates on a completely different tier of digital integration. While Japanese and European automakers are still struggling with clunky, outdated infotainment software, the Dolphin is a rolling supercomputer. Over-the-air updates continuously refine the thermal management algorithms, improving the vehicle's efficiency while it sits in your driveway. The established brands are terrified because BYD is no longer just competing on price. They are competing on absolute technological superiority. They have taken the complex, expensive DM-i technology previously reserved for large SUVs and premium sedans and they have ruthlessly scaled it down into a highly accessible mass-market footprint. It is a predatory engineering strategy that leaves the old guard with absolutely no mathematical or mechanical counterargument. Ultimately, the launch of the BYD Dolphin DMi is not just another car release. It is the definitive turning point in the global automotive landscape. It is the moment where the Chinese automotive industry proves that they are not just catching up to the legacy manufacturers. They are aggressively lapping them on a global scale. This vehicle represents the absolute pinnacle of transitional technology, bridging the gap between internal combustion and full electrification without forcing the consumer to make a single compromise. You get the instant torque, the silent operation, and the zero-emission daily commuting of a pure electric vehicle, backed by the impenetrable safety net of a 1,000-kilometer combined range. No more range anxiety. No more route planning around broken charging stations, just raw, unadulterated freedom engineered to the highest possible standards. The boardrooms in Germany and Japan are currently in a state of absolute emergency. They spent years telling the public that building an affordable, high-quality, long-range plug-in hybrid compact car was economically and physically impossible. And now, BYD has parked that exact impossible machine right on their doorstep. People will not just buy this car because it makes financial sense. They will buy it because it is fundamentally, mathematically, and experientially superior to everything the old world has to offer. The gates of the traditional compact market have been breached. The era of settling for slow, noisy, and inefficient hatchbacks is dead. From the driver's seat of the Dolphin DMi, you are commanding the vanguard of the new automotive empire, and the competition is completely out of ammunition.